Hello guys, good afternoon. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, the Explicit Tutorials. Please, as you're watching this video, endeavor to subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. Now we are still discussing chemistry, a topic called carbon and its compounds. I've treated the allotropic forms of carbon, and this afternoon we shall be discussing destructive distillation of coal. Okay? Okay, before I do that, let me just write coal. Now there are four types of coal. We have the peat coal. This peat coal is made up of 55% carbon. Then the lignite coal, which is otherwise called the brown coal. The brown coal is 85 made up of 75% carbon. Now the third one, which is the bituminous coal, is made up of 85% carbon. All right. Then the last one is the anthracite coal. The anthracite coal. This bituminous coal is also called the soft coal. All right. Bituminous coal is also called soft coal. And the lignite coal is also called what? Brown coal. Please, Nigerian coal is lignite. It's Nigerian what? Coal. Nigeria uses what? Lignite coal. And it is also called what? Brown coal. Now, anthracite coal is made up of 95% carbon, and it is the purest and hardest form of coal. It is the purest and hardest form of what? Coal. Now the next subtopic is what? Destructive distillation of coal. Destructive, oh god. These markers are bad already. Destructive distillation of coal, or carbonization of coal, or dry distillation of coal. All right, which means that another name for destructive distillation is carbonization of coal or dry distillation of what? Coal. They are the same thing. Okay, now what does it mean? It means the process of burning coal in the absence of air. It is the process of burning coal in the absence of air. That is what? Destructive distillation of coal. Now, during this process, four products are liberated. One, we have the coke. Now the coke is used as a reducing agent. All right, it is used as a reducing agent, and it is used as it's also used during the production of synthetic what? Gas. Now two, we have the coal gas. Now the coal gas is made up of methane. The coal gas is made up of what? Methane, CH4, and carbon 2 oxide, that is CO, and hydrogen gas, which is H2. All right, so these are the constituents of what? Coal gas. Coal gas is used to produce what? Domestic gases, and it is also used as what? A reducing agent. Now the third product is we have ammonica liquor. All right. A solution of ammonia in water is called what? Ammonica liquor. A solution of ammonia in water is called ammonica liquor, and it is used to produce ammonium fertilizer, or it's used to produce fertilizer. It's used to produce fertilizer. This is to produce fertilizer. Then the fourth one is we have the coal tar. Now let me bring it this way, please. The coal tar, all right. The coal tar is made up of different constituents, like the coal tar has, it's made up of phenol, toluene, benzene, and naphthalene. All right, these are the constituents of coal tar, and these constituents of coal tar are separated from one another through a process called fractional distillation. Fractional distillation, all right, which means that the various constituents of coal tar are separated from each other through a process called fractional distillation. Now, what are the uses of coal tar? One, it is used, okay, it is used in road making road or coating road surfaces, whichever. Two, it is used to mend roof. It is used to produce waterproof. All right. It is used to produce explosives. Explosives. It is used to produce dyes and solvents for rubbers. All right. It is used to produce medicine. All right, to produce medicine or medicine, as the case may be. All right, so please take note of the various products. I said we have the coke, we have the coal gas, and we have the ammonical. Okay, I've rubbed it off already. We have the ammonical liquor and the, okay, look at this here, ammonical liquor and what? Coal tar. All right, so please, these are the constituents of what? Coal. Take note of this. The gasification of coke, the gasification of coke produces synthetic gas. And this gas is made up of 2 moles of hydrogen gas and carbon 2 oxide. All right, the constituent of synthetic gas is 2 mole of hydrogen gas and 1 mole of what? Carbon 2 oxide. So at this point, we'll call it a day. Don't forget, Nigeria's coal is what? Lignite. And it's also called what? The brown coal. The bituminous coal is the soft coal, and the purest and hardest form of coal is the anthracite coal. Then you take note of the constituent of coal gas, which are the methane, carbon 2 oxide, and what? Hydrogen gas. Then you take note of the meaning of destructive distillation or carbonization of coal or dry distillation of coal. They all have the same meaning. So at this point, we call it a day. Don't forget to subscribe.